Hello guys, so for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunch boxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So happy rainy Tuesday guys. We are again on face-to-face classes for today. So we're going to be preparing something that's very quick and easy to do for moms who are in a hurry, and especially those who are starting their bento journey. So let's check and see what we're going to be doing today. So for today guys, we're going to be doing one of the Simpsons characters, and that is Lisa Simpson. There. That is because Zion requested for mac and cheese today, so that's our main ingredient. And I was thinking of a yellow colored na cartoon character, and since I haven't done the Simpsons yet, why not do it today? So if your kids baon or if your kids food is mac and cheese, then you can do this bento character. Okay, so this is our main ingredient. And then we also need bread. So for this one, here's a screen. I'll show you how I did it earlier, just for the sake of time. There. So I used just a clean glass to flatten the bread. If you have rolling pin, then better. And then once you have flattened the bread, then you can use the cookie cutter, or you can also cut the bread using scissors. And then this is it. So I need 4 because I'm gonna do little sandwiches later. But this is for the eyes, okay? And then for the details, of course, we need nori. And then for the side dishes, I have pongkan or oranges for the fruit. And then since she's having face-to-face classes, I'm giving her sweet treats. So we have here gummies, and this is a mamon, and we have cereals. Okay, just to fill up our bento box. And then of course we need our bento picks here. And that's just about it. So we can now start filling up our bento box. So I'm using, this is actually a Yum Box Original, as you can see here, but I'm using the tray of a Panino. So we just need to fill up the main compartment with the mac and cheese. Okay, so we'll do that. So this is very quick and easy to do. There. Right. And then I just want to fill up the other compartments as well. I'm gonna be putting the mamon here now. So I unwrapped it already. There. And then on this compartment in the middle, I'm gonna be putting the cereals. Here. And then here, it's a little portion just right beside the bread. I'll just put the gummies. So this is the sweet treat. Anyway, they don't always eat this every day. So it's just like something to make your kids happy. Since they also get stressed sa school, you know. It's not only us who get stressed, but also kids. So this is just something to make them happy once in a while. Yeah. So that's it. And then on this part are the fruits, of course. So we don't have veggies, but we have fruits, so there's still fiber. So I'll just put them here, arrange it. So we'll cut the nori sheets now for the details. So we'll get it. We'll set this one aside first. So for the details, you just need to get a small portion of your nori. Okay. And you need to cut 2 circle shapes. So like this. So 2 circle shapes, small circles. And then we'll set this one aside. And then the next thing that you need to cut are 7 straight lines, so small straight lines. So just cut it like this. So this is for the eyelashes. Here you go. There. And then we'll set this one aside. And then the next thing that you need to cut is like a big letter J. Okay? So it should look like this. There. And then we can now put the details here sa ating bento box. So the first thing that we need to do is to get our circle na shapes. I'll just fill it up with spread. So I'm making a sandwich out of this one. Just quickly need to put a small amount of spread and then just make a sandwich out of it. There. Don't put too much filling para hindi siya tumapon. There. And then what we need to do is just put those two circle shapes that we've cut out of the nori. There. So get the two circle shapes na kinat natin out of nori and then just put it here. There. And then for it to stick, I'm just getting some portions ng cheese para lang may parang food glue tayo. There. So it's gonna stick to the eyes. So there. Okay? And then you just need to put that one here. Okay? And then what you need to do is put the small straight lines. Just insert it sa bread. There, like that. So there. And then we'll do the same for the other eye. So there, for the other eye. And then guys, I forgot to tell you, na-miss ko to, you also need to cut a C shape. And letter C. There, okay? So this is for the nose. Okay? There, so just put it in the middle. And then we'll put the letter J na shape for the mouth. So there. You just have to position it like that. So we're gonna be putting the bento pics now. So I'm just spelling out Lisa's name here. Just gonna be putting another food pic here. There, and then another bento pic here. And then another one here. So this is our finished product. So that's it guys for today's bento box. I hope you enjoyed what we created. If you did, please like and share this video. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!